In today's fast-paced world, many of us rely on over-the-counter medications for everyday health concerns, whether it's soothing a headache, calming an upset stomach, or treating minor cuts and scrapes. But what if you didn't have immediate access to a pharmacy? More and more people are turning to natural, plant-based solutions for their health, and creating an emergency herbal kit is a practical and empowering step in that direction. Not only do herbal remedies offer gentle, effective treatments for common ailments, but they also allow us to connect with the healing power of nature. Whether it's a power outage, travel mishap, or simply an everyday issue, having an herbal kit on hand ensures that you're prepared to take care of yourself and your loved ones in a natural way, wherever life takes you. Why an emergency herbal kit is essential. Self-sufficiency in a crisis. In emergencies, access to pharmacies or healthcare professionals might be limited. Having an herbal kit allows you to treat common ailments like colds, minor wounds, digestive issues, and anxiety, reducing your dependency on external help. Sustainability and long shelf life. Many dried herbs, tinctures, and salves have a long shelf life, making them perfect for stockpiling. Unlike pharmaceuticals, which can expire relatively quickly, herbal remedies can remain potent for months or even years if stored correctly. Natural and safe options. Some pharmaceuticals carry risks of side effects or allergic reactions, especially when they're used frequently. Herbal remedies, when used properly, can offer gentler alternatives with fewer side effects. For people with sensitivities to synthetic drugs, herbs may be a preferable option. Customizable for your needs. An herbal kit can be tailored to your specific health concerns and needs. For example, if you frequently suffer from respiratory issues, you can include herbs specifically for lung support. If you're prone to digestive problems, you can include remedies for that as well. Key plants to include in your herbal kit. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure an ailment, illness, or disease. Your emergency herbal kit should contain herbs that are versatile, have multiple uses, and can address the most common health issues encountered in survival or emergency scenarios. Here are some must-have herbs and their ideal forms for storage. Yaro, Achillea millefolium. Form, dried herb tincture. Uses. Yaro is a potent styptic, meaning it can stop bleeding quickly, making it essential for first aid situations involving cuts or wounds. It also has antiseptic properties, reducing the risk of infection. Additionally, Yaro can help reduce fevers by promoting sweating. Storage. Dried Yaro is compact and can be easily added to your kit, or you can create a tincture for easy application. Calendula. Calendula officinalis. Form, salve tincture dried petals. Uses. Calendula is a skin-soothing herb that promotes healing of wounds, burns, rashes, and other skin irritations. Its antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties make it useful for treating minor skin infections. Storage. Calendula salve is the most practical form for immediate application, while dried petals can be used to make teas or infused oils. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Form, dried leaves, tincture essential oil. Uses. Peppermint is a powerful remedy for digestive issues, including nausea, bloating, and indigestion. Its cooling effect also makes it useful for headaches and tension relief. The essential oil can double as a natural insect repellent and provide relief from bug bites. Storage. Dried peppermint for teas or a tincture are great, but the essential oil is compact and potent, making it highly efficient for an emergency kit. Elderberry, Sambucus nigra. Form, dried berries, tincture, syrup. Uses. Elderberry is well known for its antiviral properties and is particularly useful for preventing or treating colds and flu. Its immune-boosting properties can help reduce the duration of illness and strengthen the body's defenses against respiratory infections. Storage. Elderberry syrup is perfect for quick consumption, but dried berries and tinctures are easier to store long-term and are more compact. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. Form, essential oil, dried flowers. Uses. Lavender is a calming herb that helps reduce stress, anxiety, and insomnia. In emergencies where anxiety levels can run high, lavender can be a natural sedative. It's also antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, useful for treating minor burns and wounds. Storage. Lavender essential oil is highly versatile and long-lasting. Dried flowers can also be included for teas or bath soaks to reduce stress. Plantin, Planta go major. Form, dried leaves, salve. Uses. Plantain is a superb wound healer and can be used for treating insect bites, bee stings, rashes, and cuts. It has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and astringent properties. Plantain can draw out toxins and help soothe irritated skin. Storage. A salve made from plantain leaves is easy to apply, or dried leaves can be rehydrated and used for poultices. Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea. Form, tincture, dried root or flowers. Uses. Echinacea is famous for boosting the immune system and helping the body fight off infections. It is particularly useful for treating colds, the flu, and other viral infections. In an emergency situation where healthcare may be limited, boosting immunity can be crucial. Storage. A tincture is a potent form, but dried echinacea can be brewed into tea or used to make infusions. Ginger Zingiber officinale. Form, dried root, tincture, powder. Uses. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and is excellent for nausea, motion sickness, digestive issues, and even pain relief. It can also be used to fight infections and relieve cold symptoms. Storage. Dried ginger root or powdered ginger is easy to store, and a tincture can provide concentrated benefits in a small, portable bottle. Willow bark form, dried bark, tincture, capsules, or powder. Uses. Willow bark is a powerful pain reliever, particularly for joint pain, muscle aches, and headaches. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for conditions where swelling is present, like arthritis or minor injuries. Storage. Dried willow bark can be brewed into tea, but tinctures or capsules are the most convenient for rapid pain relief. Ensure it's clearly labeled for dosage. Packaging and storage tips. Glass containers. Store tinctures, salves, and oils in dark glass containers to prevent oxidation and extend shelf life. Vacuum-sealed bags. Dried herbs can be vacuum-sealed to preserve freshness and potency. Compact and portable. Consider a small waterproof case or bag to store your herbal kit. This makes it easy to transport and ensures your remedies stay dry and secure. Labeling. Be sure to clearly label each herb or remedy with its name, date of preparation, and usage instructions for quick reference during an emergency. An emergency herbal kit isn't just for extreme situations. It's a valuable tool for everyday health management. By including a selection of versatile herbs in your home, you're giving yourself access to natural remedies that can address a wide range of common health concerns, often without the need for synthetic medications. As we become more mindful of what we put into our bodies, turning to herbal solutions can be a powerful way to support wellness and self-care. Building your own herbal kit is not only an act of preparation, but also an investment in long-term health and self-reliance.